model, 2014 Ford Transit Connect 1.6 TDCi Trend Spares OR Repairs CAMBELT Snapped. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 109,576. MOT, 28 September 2024. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 95ps. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Nice easy repair on this engine. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys, air-con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,775. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.